Hi, this is Dansoy Cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning new recipes. Today is the breakfast soft taco, and there really is not a name for it, but I go to Burger King all the time and get the soft tacos with scrambled eggs and sausage. So I wanted to make one at my house. So for today, I have the soft tacos, the pork sausage already pre-cooked, got some mixed mushrooms, I got large brown eggs, I got some really good roasted salsa, and I got mild cheddar and Monterey Jack. So these sausage links are already cooked, so I'm just going to warm them up a bit. Then with these mushrooms, I'll throw some of that in there, and then we'll throw it all together. It doesn't take that long. Thanks for visiting me. Hit the bell for 3 to 5 updates a week. New people, hit subscribe. Please tell your friends about this channel, and please share the link. I'm on Instagram and Twitter, and I enjoy cooking and expressing. See you soon. Alright, so today we're coming to you in 1080p super high def. I don't have 4K today, but I'm in super high definition. So we have these sausages in there. We're going to warm them. And then after that, we're going to add the mushrooms. And we might throw these in there a little bit to warm them up. Doesn't take long, and then we'll go off to scramble those eggs. Alright, so the sausages are cooking. Like I said, these are pre-cooked, and it doesn't take long to brown them a little bit. We don't have to get them super brown. If you want it, you can just throw them in the microwave. So after that, we'll go back to the other ingredients and we're set. Alright, so they're done. So we're going to just take the links and we're going to throw them on another plate. And we're just going to cut them up into little pieces. So there's no signs to this right now. And if you want, you can just take these and just warm like both sides. And then after we get that, we'll cook the mushrooms again. And then we'll just scramble the eggs. So you can just make this soft. And we'll be back. Alright, so we're going to do the mushrooms next. We have the sausage, and it's cut into pieces. You can brown it more if you want. And we have the 2 soft tortillas. So right now, we're going to cook this on medium and just warm that. When you're done, just put it over here. And then the last step of cooking is we'll scramble 2 or 3 eggs, and then we'll put it all together. Add the cheese and the really good salsa and fold them, and we're done. So if you're not filming this with a camera, it's probably only like 5 or 8 minutes like I normally say. Be back. Alright, so we're cooking our mushrooms, and you can see how they're getting brown. I mean, just decide when you want to pull them off. Like when they're done, in like a minute or less, like I said, we'll just plate it to hit this, and then I'm going to just scramble the eggs. Alright, so we have the sausage and the mushrooms. You don't have to add mushrooms. It's basically your soft taco. Do what you want. But we have a clean pan here, and now I'm going to scramble 2 or 3 eggs. Alright, so just melt down butter into that pan, and then you're going to crack 2 or 3 eggs in there, and just scramble away. Alright, so you got your eggs in there. Now just take your fork, spoon, and scramble these. Now we just have to scramble these eggs. There's 3 of them in here. I used sorry for the fast motion, I used brown eggs. So you just want to scramble them, and this is the last step. Then we put it all together. Alright, so we're not far away from our scrambled eggs. They're setting themselves up. Alright, so the eggs are done. Perfect scrambled eggs. So now we're just going to put the tortillas together. And like I said, this is your cook, so you can modify stuff, customize it, do whatever you want. But that was 3 brown eggs. Alright YouTube, so we're back. We got the scrambled eggs, we got the sausage, we got the mushrooms, we got the two soft tortillas, we got our roasted tomato salsa, and I'm kind of bummed out. I'm going to have to use mozzarella cheese. I just wanted to use that other cheese, and it had a hole in the bag in air, and I seen molded cheese, so I had to toss it. So I'm sorry, I have to use this mozzarella cheese. So with these things here, we're going to load them with the eggs and then with the toppings next. Alright, so we have the egg in there on both. Now we're going to take some sausage, put some sausage in there. Then we're going to take some mushrooms and put mushrooms in there. So you can see how they're coming together. And it's really good to make them yourself and homemade. Alright, so you're going to want to take some of this salsa and just put it in there. I'll tell you, I wish I really had that other cheese. I'm bummed out. But you can see how that came together. Now we're going to just take our mozzarella and we're going to just throw some cheese in both of them. So we're basically done. Now it's to fold these things. It won't be easy because they're loaded with stuff. Alright, so we're done, Facebook. You can see our ingredients in there. So that's your really quick, basic sausage and egg breakfast tacos. So thanks for taking this journey with me. Let's learn recipes together. And this is your Wednesday upload. And I'll see you Friday again. Please hit the bell and please hit subscribe. Dansoy, aka Batman, peace out.